Good day everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Meet as your platform in your class. Okay, so this is not only intended for students, but this is also intended for teachers, especially when they are attending the webinars. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so first you need to find the application called Google Meet in your Play Store. Okay, so I already downloaded it, so you're just going to open the application, and then here's what's gonna happen. Actually, I already signed in using my Google account. So what you need to do is to manage the tools here in the Google Meet. Okay, so we have the microphone. You can turn that off. So once the button becomes red, it means that you cannot speak, or the other participants will not be able to hear you. And then this one, if you click on this, of course your video will be off. Okay, there you can also see the new meeting and the meeting code options. So in the new meeting, you'll be the one to be the presenter or the speaker of the class. Okay, so if you click on that, later on we're going to click that. It will automatically give you the link, and then you can share it to the other platforms. And then if you click on the meeting code, of course, your speaker or your teacher will be giving you the meeting code maybe on the messenger, and then you can type in here. Okay, enter a meeting code. You can also click on the link, because once you click on the link, it will automatically send you in the Google meeting. Okay. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the Google Classroom. Let's click on the new meeting. Okay, so see, you can see the link. You can share it to the other platforms. And then, so this is what Google Meet looks like. Okay. All right, so there are three main tabs there. The first one is the participants. You can see the names of the participants there. Since I'm the only one, it will only show one thing. And then you can also point on your profile. You can see three buttons there. The first one is the microphone, and the second one is end call, and then the third one is the video. Of course, they are turned off, so the buttons are red. Okay, you can also see the videos of the participants there. And then the second one is the chat box. So here in the chat box, you can type anything. So let's say your teachers are asking you some questions, and then you can type in your your answers there. Anything. Okay. And by the way, other participants will also see what you chatted on the chat box. And then the last one is the share, or the information about your meeting. So if you're a participant, you also have the chance to share the link so that others will be able to join the meeting. Okay, you have other platforms there like Messenger. Okay, so now let's go to the captions. It's on the upper right. So if you click on that, it will show the captions, or when someone's speaking, then it will put, just like in YouTube, when you turn on the captions, then it will show you the subtitles of what the people are saying. Okay, and then the speaker, you can have your phone in the speaker mode, or you can also turn the audio off. Okay. Next, if you hit the three buttons, it will show you some options like switch camera, turn off captions, present screen, report a problem, report a use, help, and then cancel. So this is the most important, tool. So let's try to click on the present screen. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen if you're going to present. Okay, all right. Because I'm using my phone in recording. Okay, so by the way, if you click on the start now in your present screen, of course the entire screen of your phone will be presented to all the participants in the Google Meet. Okay, so it will show you're presenting to everyone. Your video will not be seen, but the entire screen of your phone will be shown off. Okay, so if you go on your home screen, it will also show on their side. Okay, so that's what Google Meet is all about. I hope that you learned a lot in this video, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.